Alright guys, so welcome to today's giveaway video. In today's giveaway video, I want to present you a random Devil Fruit developer product system. So you have a developer product which you buy and then you just receive a random Devil Fruit, okay? So that's basically the whole system right here. And throughout the tutorial or while recording it, I have discovered that I already made that kind of video several years ago, I think. I cannot even remember the content which I've presented you inside of this one. At least I hope that this giveaway right here and this tutorial which comes tomorrow, that it presents a newer approach to what I've done in you know, the previous years about this topic. Okay, so with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Let me present you the system right here. So basically click this button, then buy this thing, and then you'll receive a random fruit right here. That being said, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, share this video to all of your friends, leave feedback in the comment section. Take care and see you in the next video.